Meaning of description.
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 Description. Description refers to a statement or account that gives details about something. In the context of a product or service, a description typically provides information about its features, functionality, and benefits. For example, a description of a new laptop might include details about its processor, graphics card, storage capacity, screen size, and battery life, as well as information about its portability and ease of use. In summary, a description provides a comprehensive overview of an object, event, or concept by highlighting its key characteristics and properties.